BIM Feeder is Autodesk Civil 3D plugin which enables users to easily classify objects in bulk. This enables companies to create true BIM projects which adhere to desired classification standards. As part of the process, BIM Feeder also creates property sets based on data standards. The application comes pre-installed with National Infrastructure Data Standards, but users can easily create their own company or country data standards with common spreadsheets. After all objects in the project are fed with non-graphical data by BIM Feeder, it can easily be exported to IFC file with all the classification data included. User interface of BIM Feeder is very user-friendly. Non-graphical information is entered to relevant rows in BIM Feeder editor. Elements are assigned to 3D solids according to what they represent, such as earthworks or crash barrier. After that is done, elements are classified in the context of property groups. Some of the data is already pre-filled thanks to cascading nature of BIM Feeder data structure. Data is assigned to other 3D elements in similar fashion. Once the setup is finished, the data can be fed into the project by BIM Feeder to classify all objects. Successful completion of the process can be easily checked by objects changing their colors according to the classification setup. Object property sets are displayed in the extended data palette. Export to IFC file is facilitated by the built-in Civil 3D exporter. The classification of all objects in the IFC file is inherited from the Civil 3D project. BIM Feeder is here to help you save time when creating true BIM infrastructure projects with all the data needed.